This goalkeeper didn't just save a goal, his captain saved a life. Minute 22, the keeper launches the ball downfield with everything on the line. But instead of finding a teammate, it finds a seagull. Mid-air collision, the bird drops to the turf. Istanbul's captain sprints over, drops to his knees, and starts performing CPR on a seagull. No medical training, no hesitation, just pure instinct. Players from both teams stand frozen as he pumps the bird's tiny chest. Seconds feel like forever. Then, a twitch, a flicker. It's alive. He gently carries it off the pitch. The game resumed. His team lost on penalties. But that day, the real victory had feathers.